You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary too many get wrong in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Some say it's one of the most difficult words to pronounce in the world. In British English it's said as curmudgeon, curmudgeon. Stress on that second syllable. In American English, rather said as curmudgeon, curmudgeon, or in British English again, curmudgeon. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps, thanks a lot. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations to use there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.